Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best drone is probably one of the most exciting gadgets to hit the market in recent years. From capturing breathtaking aerial footage to assisting in various industries, drones offer a unique perspective. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore the skies or a professional seeking advanced features, this video will guide you through the essential aspects of selecting the perfect drone. Number 5. Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone for Kids. This mini drone is incredibly easy to use. It can be tossed to launch and performs cool tricks like 3D flips and high-speed rotation. One key: start, landing, and altitude hold make it perfect for beginners. The drone offers low, medium, and high-speed modes. This allows kids of different skill levels to enjoy flying. Multiple drones can even race together thanks to the 2.4 GHz remote control. With 3 batteries included, you get up to 21 minutes of flight time. A low battery alarm also helps prevent any unexpected loss or damage, giving you peace of mind. Safety is a top priority with this drone. The propellers are protected, keeping kids safe from injury. The emergency stop function ensures the drone can land immediately in case of any issues. This Holy Stone drone is small and easy to carry. It's perfect for fun anywhere, whether it's a party or a long journey. It's a great gift for kids or friends. What we like. This drone is incredibly easy to use, perfect for kids and beginners. It can perform exciting 3D flips and is small enough to take anywhere. If you're looking for a fun and safe drone to get started with, this is the one for you. What people say. 3 speeds, indoor flight training, indoor crash course, and take it outside. LOL, not really labeled like that, of course. It beeps to indicate a speed change when you press the button, 1 beep for slow, 2 for medium, 3 for fast. Trim function, to calibrate any auto-drifting forward, backward, or left-right. Which it seems to remember and usually only needs to be done once. Stunt button, 1 press and then holding a direction on the joystick makes it do flips in almost any direction. Number 4. Holy Stone HS724K UHD GPS Drone. This drone features a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization, ensuring you capture high-resolution images and videos. The adjustable lens lets you see the world from various perspectives. It's perfect for capturing breathtaking aerial shots. Never worry about losing it. The drone automatically returns home when the battery is low or the signal is lost. It can also follow you, fly along a preset path, or circle a point of interest, letting you focus on your photography. With 2 intelligent batteries, you get up to 52 minutes of flight time. The brushless motors provide a quieter and more efficient flight. Its foldable design and carrying case make it easy to take it anywhere. Multiple sensors ensure stable hovering and high-quality photos. Features like 1-key start-stop, emergency stop, and altitude hold make it simple to control, even for beginners. You'll be flying in no time. The 2.4 GHz transmitter offers a long control range. The LED screen displays battery level and GPS signal. It even includes a button to control the drone's light. Remember to remove the scratch-proof film before use. What we like. This drone boasts a stunning 4K UHD camera with image stabilization, ensuring high-quality photos and videos. It also features GPS-assisted intelligent flight, so it will never get lost. If you are looking for a drone that combines great image quality with smart features and long flight times, this is the perfect choice. What people say. When this drone locks onto at least 7 GPS satellites, it is amazing how stable it is even in mild winds, 4 to 10 miles per hour. The flying modes of point-to-point tap, fly, follow me, and hover and rotate over point of interest, are very impressive. The return to home feature works quite well and is very intelligent as it accounts for remaining battery energy. Number 3. Holy Stone HS720E 4K Drone with Remote ID. This Holy Stone drone meets FAA requirements. You can get the Remote ID module to ensure compliance. Contact Holy Stone customer support for any questions about the module. The HS720E has a 4K camera with electric image stabilization, so your videos will be clear. It also uses a Sony sensor, which gives it better image quality than other drones in its class. This drone has a stable flight because of its air optical flow and air pressure altitude control system. With GPS and auto return to home, you can fly with confidence, knowing it will come back to you. The Fly More kit gives you 46 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. You can spend more time flying and less time charging. The included carrying bag makes it easy to transport and store the drone. This drone has flight modes like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. You can focus on taking great shots and videos while it flies itself. The HS720E uses brushless motors, which make the flights powerful, stable, and quiet. You can enjoy flying without motor noise, and the motors last longer with less maintenance. What we like. This drone features a 4K EIS anti-shake camera with a Sony sensor for crystal clear videos. It is also FAA compliant, ensuring you can fly it legally. If you want a drone with professional-grade video quality and compliance with regulations, this is the one for you. What people say. The HS720E has a 4K UHD camera. The HS720E does video at 4K UHD with 30 frames per second, or 1080p HD at 60 frames per second, which will allow you to produce HD slow-motion video if that's what you want. The HS720E camera uses Sony image sensors and has electronic image stabilization. Number 2. Holy Stone HS900 4K drone with camera. Introducing the Holy Stone HS900 drone, weighing only 249 grams. This means you don't need FAA registration. Enjoy the freedom to fly and capture stunning footage. The HS900 boasts a 4K camera with a Sony sensor, capable of capturing 48MP photos and 4K 30fps videos. It allows you to capture your world in incredible detail. Equipped with a 3-axis brushless gimbal, the HS900 ensures smooth and stable footage, even in winds up to 38 km per hour. This helps you get professional quality shots. Thanks to the advanced control system, the drone is easy to operate, even for beginners. You can effortlessly control its movements and enjoy a breathtaking perspective. The Sirius app offers easy-to-use filming templates for quick shots. It automatically generates professional-level videos that you can share directly on social media. With the upgraded intelligent control system, the HS900 has a maximum transmission range of 20,000 feet. This allows it to fly further and capture more, offering enhanced transmission and stronger anti-interference compatibility. The enhanced GPS positioning system ensures accurate visual tracking and auto-return. The drone will return to its takeoff point with simplified operations, making aerial shots steady and clear. What we like. This drone has a 3-axis gimbal for incredibly smooth video, and can capture stunning 8K photos. It also has an impressive 20,000 feet transmission range. If you are looking for a drone with a professional-grade camera and long-range capabilities, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The controller and the craft operate very well. The controller functions are easily manipulated and the craft is very stable. The menu is also easy to use and the features are fun to use as well. It has great features, a nice carrying case, some spare parts, 2 batteries, a tiltable camera while in flight, GPS with RTH, return to home, and the app will actually run on almost all phones. The RTH feature has saved me multiple times when I accidentally lost sight of it in the air. With the press of one button the drone is on its way back to the location in which it took off. It will also return to home automatically if the battery power gets too low or the drone flies too far out of range, 2 great features. Number 1. Holy Stone HS175D 4K camera drone. This drone features a 4K camera with a 110-degree wide-angle lens and adjustable settings. It captures high-resolution pictures and delivers smooth, stable videos, even in challenging conditions. With GPS assistance, the drone automatically returns home if it loses signal, goes out of range, or has low battery. You can fly with confidence, knowing it will come back. It comes with 2 batteries, providing up to 46 minutes of flight time. Features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing make it easy for beginners. The drone includes a carrying case and a foldable design for easy storage and travel. Its weight is under 250 g, which may save you from FAA registration. The drone can automatically follow you, fly along a preset path, or circle a point of interest. It also responds to gestures for photos and videos, enhancing your flight experience. What we like. This drone features a 4K camera and GPS auto return, ensuring you never lose your drone. It also offers a long flight time with 2 batteries. If you want a reliable drone with great features and extended flight time, this is the one for you. What people say. Camera. The camera resolution is adjustable and capable of really good images. Being able to adjust the camera angle up and down mid-flight is really handy. The ability to record straight to your phone or to an SD card is convenient. SD card is best because if you get out of range or have a spotty connection, the drone keeps recording. The automated functions like automatic takeoff, waypoint, return home, and circle are really convenient. The fact that it remembers where it took off from and can return to that point with the press of a button is impressive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.